I'm literally a walking convenience store. I'm that friend that will have everything you need in her bag.
Changes never grow.
Hey girl, hey, my name is Imani. If you are new here, welcome. Make sure you hit the subscribe button because we're trying to grow here. And then if you are not new, hey girl, I decided to put y'all in my business and show y'all my go-to purse with all of the necessities that I need to survive in the wilderness of this place we call the United States. So let's get into what's actually in my Coach City Tote. First up, we have my feminine and grooming kits. So this is like a no-brainer. We're girlies out in the wilderness. We need more upkeep than these men's out here, okay? So I have this cute little toiletry bag full of all my necessities, from tampons to pads. I don't need to show y'all that. I have some hand sanitizer. This is actually from Scent Theory. It's Matcha Mood. I love this. It smells so good. And then of course, because we can't be out here looking like we got working man hands, even if you are the working man in the relationship. We got some EOS shea butter. This is hand cream. I love this hand cream because you know how sometimes when you go to get a hand cream, it's like they finessed you on a scent? No. EOS was like, we got you, girl. Hands are nice and moisturized, super duper soft. Then I actually have like a few of these little towels in here. You wet them and they expand. My mother-in-law actually gave these to me and I was like, you know what? You're right. I do need some of these little towels in here. I have my medications for outdoors because the doctor literally told me I'm allergic to outside, and you hoping to be outside looking cute, but that's not running out her nose. Absolutely not. So we got her in here. We also have a comb because when my hair isn't up to a bun, you know, we gotta make sure our hair is not matted or anything like that. I actually have a manicure set in here, grooming kit, just in case you know you need to get your hands together. And of course, we have a scrunchie and we have a cloth. And lastly, I like to carry some feminine wipes in my bag too, because you know, when the time of the month comes, you just want to make sure that you feel clean everywhere you go. Now I'm disorganized my bag and I have to do everything together, but that's okay because I'm trying to make sure that we're together when we go outside, friend. We need to make sure that you have everything you need. Next up, we have my Milk Balmade lip glosses. So I put these lip glosses in my bag sometime last year in the summer. I was not playing when I said they are that good. That's why the whole collection is in my bag. I love these. The scent, the taste, yes, the taste. I'm talking about when you get kissed, they can go, that tastes good. Let me get another one. These lip glosses, I love them down. They're not too sticky. They're not too ruddy. Even my daughter loves these. I love these lip glosses down. Workout is actually my favorite one. It's watermelon scented in flavor, so it tastes like watermelon candy. I love these lip glosses. And of course, we have to have that in the bag because why would we be outside with crusty, dusty lips? The lips need to look schmackable, delicious, and kissable all day long. That lip gloss will do it for you, friend. I love that collection. Next up, we have my DJI and my mic, but of course, right now as I am filming, I can't show you the mic or the DJI because I'm actively using it, but it's kind of a no-brainer. As a creator, I'm always out making content for vlogs or something along those lines. I have my DJI with me because it is so easy to carry around. It's super discreet. It comes with a tripod, the mic, a battery pack, so many things that I need, and it's small, compact, and it fits right into this tote bag. I love this thing down. If you are looking or interested in getting a DJI, if you want to start your creative journey, I definitely recommend investing in this because it has everything you need. And specifically, I have the DJI Osmo Pocket 3 Creator Bundle. So it comes with a lot of things. The only thing it doesn't come with is a memory card, so you do have to go get that. So we have my Coach wallet. Of course, I had to get a matching one. Actually, I didn't get it, in a lot to you. If I'm not mistaken, I believe my husband got me this tote and this wallet. I can't remember because my mom also took me to Coach last year for my birthday, but I have matching wallet to the bag. And of course, as a grown woman, I'm 27, any grown woman out here, get you a real wallet, okay? And then also it could double as a clutch if you need like a cute little purse for your outfit for the evening. Now, obviously this has like my license, my debit cards, all that other stuff in here. Not that I really need it because, you know, my husband takes care of that. But have this in here because it's super cute and it matches. It just gets off road. I just love this one. So I also like to keep my perfume of the day in the bag, and that's obvious because as girls, we like to smell good all the time. And this time I have actually SUNRYZ, and this is golden sugar. It says it's long lasting. This one has a swirl of pistachio, warm vanilla, and salted caramel wrapped in cozy sandalwood, sweet, warm, and totally golden. So the reason why I chose this one, because there was 3 other ones, is because of the pistachio. I'm a really that if you put pistachio in any scent, I need it now. I just love it. It smells so good. And then also I have a lot of perfumes that are meant for if you just really want to smell expensive. But this one I picked up because I needed something that is good for fresh out the shower, and also on a day where I'm not really trying to have on my expensive scents, because obviously you want to preserve them. So I actually picked this up because of my mother-in-law. She put me on game with this. So I was like, let me go see what she's talking about. And so far, since I've been wearing it, it smells really good. You randomly get like a whiff of it, and it's so soft but noticeable at the same time. Like the way it just sits and sets on your skin, I really love this. So if you didn't know, I am a girly that cannot see without my glasses. Call me Balmade. These are actually the pair that I've been wearing today. So more often than not, if you check my bag and you see a pair of glasses, it's either going to be these or my black ones that are everyday, but these are the ones that I'm wearing today. So my glasses change. Whatever ones I pick up is the ones that I put in my bag, but this one is also in heavy rotation all the time. It's just super pretty, from the sparkles, for it being clear. It goes with everything. I really love this, and obviously to see, I need my glasses cleaner to make sure they stay clean so I can see. So I keep my glasses in there. Honestly, I need to put them back in their dust bag so they don't continue to get scratched up, but that's another story for after that. And just some other little things that I'm randomly looking at right now. They're not really random, but like keys, obviously, for my car. This is my Apple Watch wristband, so I like to change them out depending on the outfit that I'm wearing. So I like to color coordinate. I am that kind of girl. I don't care. But this is in here for when I want to change it out. And then we have a headband. Not that I need to hold anything back because I ain't got much of nothing back here. My choice, but she's in there for just in case moments. These are my precious must-have items that I carry on a day-to-day in my Coach City Tote Bag. I love her down. She is literally an everyday bag. She is one of the 2 totes that I have from Coach, and I adore them because they literally fit my entire existence. In it, if you don't have a tote, get you a tote, because girl, like I said, if you're a mom too, you know how it is carrying snacks and other things that need to be in here, and she literally gets the job done. She's durable, she's amazing, she's sexy to wear, it's discreet too, so people don't know that you got little kid snacks in your bag, because the mom bag is a Coach bag. Thank you so much for tuning into my business. I appreciate you, friend. Do not forget to like this video. Do not forget to comment. Let me know if you want to see more videos like this. Let me know if you want to know like what I carry in smaller bags, because obviously I just told you I can't link other things for in this bag. So if you want to know how I compact things for my smaller bags, let me know. And do not forget to subscribe, friend, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.